Happy Friday. Welcome back, everybody, to a brand new video. Here, Joan, with your host. Like always, today, everybody, we're going to be going over today's recap and yesterday's recap. Actually, yesterday, we just took a quick little trade. So yesterday, we took a quick $10 profit trade, which let me show you guys right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Real nice and quick. We took it from 646 to 651, so that's pretty clean right there. That was yesterday's trade. So we took a little dub on it. Today, everybody, was kind of like a little roller coaster. I'm not gonna lie. Like, for some reason today, I just got up, bro, and I was straight up like, you know what, let me take some trades from my phone. Like, bro, I don't even want to get up, bro. It's Fridays I usually do remote work, so I don't really got to go into the office. So I'm like, bro, I love to sleep in, bro. I love to catch up on my sleep, bro. I think sleep is so important. Obviously don't sleep like 12 hours, but bro, I try to aim for my 7 to 8 hours, because you guys, bro, sleep, like, I'm telling you guys right now, man, if you guys get enough sleep, bro, you guys function so much better. I took 2 trades today. I took an L, and then I made it right back for a little flat day. So check this out. Started off with a SPY call. I lost about 20 bucks right there, and then I took another call just because I felt like I entered way too quick, and then I was able to come out $6 profit. So it was actually pretty small, but you know, it's all good. It is what it is. So let's see, from 43 to 45, and then 46 to 50. This was honestly a revenge trade, bro. That's one thing you guys should never do, man. If you guys take an L, just walk away. For some reason, I'm just like, nah, bro. Like, no, this is gonna go up, bro. It's rejecting off. It's wicking. Like, there's just no way this is not gonna have a quick little pop, you know. And it did have a quick pop, so you know, I was able to make my money back, and then, you know, end off the day profitable. So I only took about 1 L this week, and it was around like $6. So that L, I technically made it back today. So, and then the other days, you know, I also profited too. So overall, we had a green week. And yeah, man, so let's go over the trade. So the first trade was from 643 to 45. So let's go to the charts. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, I've been slowly looking at the 1 minute chart, and like now, with a lot, like the last time I looked at the 1 minute chart was probably like a year ago, and a year now I look at it and I'm like, bro, like I could kind of pick it up now. Like I could probably take some quick scalps off of this. So let's see, let's go to 43. We took it around right here. So we seen this little double top right here, right? Ended up breaking over, and then it came back to retest the same area, right? Bounced off this, it went up, came down again. So I'm like, you know what? I feel like it's probably gonna go up, but nah, man. We had this fat candle right here. Boom! As soon as it broke these lows, I'm like, let me hop out for a quick loss. And I'm not gonna lie, I was only down around like $6 to $7. I told myself, if it hits $10, I'm out. Or if it breaks that structure, that area, I'm out. And what did it do? Like, I swear to God, like again, I was trading on my phone, so I was entering a quick market order just to get out of the trade, and bro, this thing just pops down super fast, and I'm already like negative like $20. And again, my max loss tolerance is always $20 on a trade, because I try to go for some cheap 0 DTE. So $20 is my max loss that I will take. I guess I could go to $30, but $30 is I'm already like, you know, I broke all my rules. I completely messed up. And yeah, so then what happens? I'm just like, dude, it's rejecting off this area. I'm like, bro, it's gonna go up. Like, it usually does bounce up, right? And again, that's the thing, man. I need to stop hoping that the trade is gonna go my way. Like, if it's not working out, it's not working out. I gotta stop breaking my rules. If you guys are watching this video too, stop breaking your rules, bro. Like, set a couple rules. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just, again, it's like, if you guys, for example, one of my rules is, if the trade is negative, more than about to hit negative 20 or more, I'm just gonna cut it. That's it, because this game is all about surviving and then just minimizing your losses, you know. So I'm just like, if I make a $20 loss, it's all good. I'll make it back in the next trade. No worries, right? And then, all right, so let's see. So from 46 to 50. So 46, let's see, right here. I seen this right here. I seen this green bar. I'm like, all right, bro. Again, bad. This is a bad idea. I need to wait for a little bit of consolidation, some type of breakout. So what I did was like, okay, if this candle breaks, let's see, around 398.62, I'm out. Like, it's all good. I'm just gonna take the smallest loss. So probably like a $5-6 loss, whatever, right? So it just kept bouncing. It did break just a little bit, but right away it shot back up. I'm like, oh no, this is probably gonna go up, bro. If you got a candle that wicks up pretty quick, I'm like, okay. Usually, for example, like right here, I'm like, nah, the buyers are stepping up, bro. These candles are not breaking down any lower. So I'm like, all right, man, it is time. I thought honestly with this candle right here, I'm like, okay, bro, if we open up with a red candle, bro, we're breaking all the way down here, right? But we opened up with the green candle and it shot right up. Boom, shot up. I seen there was like a little trend line right here, so I took my exit, I believe. Honestly, bro, it says 50 right here, but I remember taking my exit like when I seen this candle. Again, I was trading on my phone, so usually I gotta step away from the chart to go enter my order real quick. So I guess within those couple, takes around like maybe like what, 5 seconds to do that. So within those 5 seconds, you know, anything could have happened. So it just, honestly, I could have waited a little more, bro. I could have banked on this for real. I could have banked maybe like a good like 30-40 bucks, you know. It was a cool little, it was a clean little trade, and it was definitely a revenge trade though. I'm not gonna lie, I straight up like, bro, I entered right there. Like, that's a revenge trade. There's nothing for me that tells me that it's gonna go up, right? It's like it tested up this area, it got rejected, so it's just like, bro, why would I enter that, right? So I mean, it is what it is. At the end of the day, like I came up with $6, but I broke some rules, revenge traded, and I just highly suggest that you guys just don't do that, man. So but again, I don't really be looking at the 1 minute chart. I feel like it'd be tricking you too much. So I usually like the smallest is either 2 or the 3 minute chart. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, man, this is usually where I took my trades right here. Took some calls, but it's all good. And then as soon as I seen this, man, I should have entered some puts, bro. This would have been nice and clean. Let's go to the 5 minute chart. Yeah, man, that's crazy. Like, all I really had to do was just wait like an hour and a half, you know, let all this consolidation just go up, down, let it select a trend, and then bro, I could have just banked. Because usually what you could do is, I've noticed a majority of the time, majority of the week is like, bro, you just have to wait for the consolidation to finish, and then it'll like choose a trend, you know. It choose either it goes up all day or it goes down all day. Like, it really be like that sometimes. And then, or if not, if it's just channeling, bro, you could easily just like figure out the channel, you know. So not easily, it takes time. It takes skill, and it takes just chart time, just, you know, seeing how it reacts. But in my opinion, man, like, I just really realized like the stock market is, if you really think about it, it's just like millions and millions of people entering orders at certain prices. So, and the chart pretty much tells you where there's a lot of orders, where there's not really that many orders, and it looks like we're up about 4% on the account this week, so that's pretty cool. Anyways, everybody, let me know in the comments down below. Did you guys get green, red? Let me know why. Did you guys break rules? And yeah, if you guys want to share you guys' like, you know, feedback, tips on anything that you guys notice, just let me know, man. Because again, I'm a new trader like you guys, bro. I'm about to be 2 years in August. I would probably say within like the next 2 to 3 weeks, I'm gonna be officially 2 years trading. And I would honestly count my first year just learning the platform, learning all the little, like, you know, the basics, you know. But my year 2 is when 2021 was, or actually no, not 2020, like what I would say like at midway or end of 2021 was, I started realizing I'm taking L's, I'm taking dubs, I see the potential. So I would say I have a solid year of like good training. The first year was all tutorials and all that stuff. I did trade a little bit here and there, but I just did not understand nothing. So yeah, man, all it really is just not giving up, bro, and surviving. I mean, I've honestly blown like what, I'll probably make a different video, but I've blown around like 3 accounts already. So this is, I believe, like my fourth time, because usually I'll start off with a small account, it'll last me like 3 to 4 months, it's all gone. I mean, not completely to zero, but it's to the point where I'm like, okay, let me make a little deposit. So I've deposited like 4 times. And honestly, it's not even that bad, bro. It's like way cheaper than college, so I'll take that as a dub. And it's pretty fire, man. Trading is like, it's pretty legit. I really do enjoy it. So again, this channel is all transparent. I'm gonna keep it as real as possible with you guys. Day trading has a really bad reputation because of all the scammers, and I truly do believe when they say it's either 5 to 10% only make it. So, bro, that is a huge percent, bro. Like, more than enough you could make it, bro. That's the 90% of people that don't make it, is people who just don't have the patience. They don't want to sit down and learn, want something easy, you know. They gave up the first week, the first month, the first year. Like, bro, you really got to give this, like, I think you really got to give this up to like at least 3, 4, 5 years, you know. And I told myself every single year I have to make like a major improvement. And so far, yeah, man. 2 years ago, I opened up this platform, had no idea what the hell stocks were. Like, I had no clue, nothing. I knew what stocks were. You could buy money, make money, lose money. That's it. But I didn't understand the stock market at all. And 2 years later, I'm just like, I still don't understand it, but I understand it, if that makes sense, you know. Like, so honestly, I give myself I'm technically already profitable, but on a really small account. And I don't really care about the money. I just care about the wins, just being able to master this skill, and then I'm dropping big bucks. Not big bucks, but, you know, I'm dropping a couple thousand, I guess you could say, into an account, and then just see what's up, man. See if I could grow it. Again, all I really want at the end of the day is just to supplement this. I want this to supplement my 9 to 5. Like, I don't even care about being rich, bro. Like, I really do not care about the cars, the big house. I mean, yes, we all love that. We all love it. Yes, you know, like, don't get me wrong. Of course, I want to get like a McLaren. Of course, I want to get like a 4 or 5 bedroom house with like a nice big backyard. You know, just I'm gonna get it. You know, I'm gonna get these things for sure, but within time. You know, because they're just wants, they're not needs. But at the end of the day, it's like, bro, I hate working for other people. Like, don't get me wrong, I like my job, but it's just like, bro, I just hate doing certain things for not that much money, you know. And I'm just thinking, I'm like, bro, I should just like learn like a skill, some type of trade. And I came across day trading. I'm like, well, it's either I succeed or I die, bro. There ain't no plan B or nothing like that, bro. I'm literally putting my all into this, right? I do got other, like, again, it's like I got a job, I got this, I got other business ideas and stuff, but the thing is, it's like I need the capital, you know. And I know day trading, bro, I always see a lot of people say, man, day trading will provide that capital. And I know it's not a guaranteed income source, but it's like, bro, if it could be one of my main side hustles, bro, I would love it, you know. And then I could slowly get into some real estate, do vlogs about that, just vlogs about, you know, just my life and stuff, and the career, you know, I mean, the path that we're gonna take. So I'm pretty excited though, because like I'm starting to really understand this day trading, bro. Like, I'm starting to understand the ups, the downs, like, bro, the inside, everything. Just it took some time, blood, sweat, and tears, bro. Like, it's crazy to just see this. And like, bro, like a year ago, bro, I was just like upset, bro. Like, I swear to God, bro, I'm not even a weenie like that, bro, but I swear this thing made me so mentally frustrated, bro, that I was like, not shedding tears, but like, bro, I was watery-eyed, bro. Like, I was just like, like, damn it, if it ain't this, then what else am I gonna do? I don't know, bro. It's cool though. It's cool. Yo, but hey, nah, definitely, probably in the future, I'll start making more like personal videos and just kind of putting you guys on game, the stuff that I've been through, bro, because it ain't crazy. Again, I'm not from the hood. I'm not no like gangster or nothing like that. I am top G though. Shout out, I am top G, but you know, I'm a gentleman, and you know, I had my own little path, and fun. It's funny, bro. The videos I'm gonna put you guys on, man. The stories. It's been physically, I wouldn't say physically not harsh, but it mentally harsh, bro. Like, it's crazy, man. But hey, man, anyways, everybody, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys drop a like, a comment, subscribe, click that bell so you guys get notified every time we upload. I know this got a little personal, and yeah, man, so we're gonna bank next week, baby. We're gonna bank. Hey, like I said last week, man, all I wanted was a green week, and we wanted a bank, and you know, I'll take it. So anyways, everybody, I'll catch you guys on Monday.